Hello friends, welcome to my new video, and today I will show you how you can use better filters bot into your groups without any issue and without any issues. I will tell you how to use this command and give you the example. Okay, so let's begin this video. First of all, you have to open your Telegram and create a group, or otherwise you can use your old group. Okay, and you need to have a movie channel or any other channel if you want to add, but the channel must be public. Okay, your channel have to must be public. Here you can see I have a public channel. Okay, without public channel your bot can't provide links to users, because if you have public channel, a private channel, your users can't join your channel by private links. Okay, so here I have the group, and here I have the bot started. So after starting the bot, click on add bot to your group, click on your group and add this bot into your group. Okay, after adding, you need to make this bot admin in your group. So I have made this bot admin in my group. So the first step is completed. Okay, I want to tell you one thing, one more many important thing. Okay, this is the most important thing. Everywhere you want to use this bot, okay, every channel, every group you want to include in this bot, you have to make bot admin in the channels and groups. Okay, without making admin you can't use for anything. Okay, so here go to the bot description, copy the bot link and go to your channel. Okay, your database channel, go to admin, add admin and paste the bot link here and made the bot admin. Okay, so I have did the second bot make I have make the bot admin in my channel. Now copy the channel id, database channel id, go to your group. After going in group, give command index -100 your channel id. Okay, now my channel is successfully indexed. Channel need to be public, then it will work. If your channel is private, then it will not work. Okay, it will show you another message. Now my channel is indexed, then I will I will search a movie. So here you can see the automatic filtering is started. The all links are extract from my channel. All links are from my channel. This will bot like this: when someone search a keyword into your group and bot find this keyword into your channel and copy your channel links and send in group. Okay, very easy. So the first command is done, that is index. Index is successfully done. Now users can search movies into your groups. So what is the next step? Here you can see what is the next. The next step is sub. Sub mean the force subscribe channel. You have seen something like this. When you start a bot, he will send you a message, you need to join my channel to use this bot. Okay, something like this, but for your channel. So I will copy the bot link. You have to copy the bot link and go to your main channel. Okay, the main update channel you are using. Your channel update channel need to be public again. The channels are required to be public. Make the bot admin in your channel, main channel. Here you can see I have already made this admin. Okay, this is my main channel. Now copy the channel link, your main channel link, go to your group and give this command sub sub and -100 and your main channel id, and the force subscribe is successfully done. I have already joined this channel, so it will not show me the join message. Here you can see I am searching this. Again, this bot will provide me the links without joining the channel because I have already joined. So for this, to check this, I will log into my another account, and here you can see the test group. The bot is providing movie to him who have joined the update channel. Okay, the main channel. So I will search here. Remember that this is my another account. Okay, here my this account was joined in main channel, but this account not. So I have to join this channel. This is my main channel. I joined, and now I will search. So friends, I was trying to speak the simplistic English that you can understand easily. So now you can see I am a new user in this group. So I have to join the main channel of this group. Then the bot will provide me movies. Okay, the links are my channel, from my channel. So the first post subscribe is done. Command is done. Now you have learned how to index a channel and how to add 4 subscribe channel. The next command is remove sub off. Okay, if you type this command, if you give this command, the 4 subscribe will off into your channel. This is so simple to understand. And the next is remove button, remove channel. Using this command, you can remove some of your channel that was indexed in your group. Okay, here is only one channel I have indexed it, but you can index unlimited channel in your group. Then the bot will find links from every channel when someone search it. After remove command, the bot will provide the channel list like this. If you click on the button using the channel link was here. If you click on the button, your channel was successfully removed from the group, and bot will not provide the links from your channel if you remove it. The next command is channels. This is same command, but here you can see the indexed channel you have. The next command is info. The command is not for this command is not for you don't have to learn how this command work, because this is too are simple. So if you understand this video, and sorry for my voice quality because I have no mic, my mic was gone. Thank you for watching. We will meet in next video.